Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you guys are fine and I welcome you all to my YouTube channel again. So this is going to be the last video of the normalization. In this video we will discuss BCNF, BCNF. Okay, so without wasting our time, let's just get started. So so we can say like if a relation is in BCNF if for every functional dependency like FD tends to y dot x must be must be a super key, or you can say like the determinant. Let me write it down that one also. The determinant left hand side of dependency should always be a candidate key or super key. If not, the relation violates BCNF. Okay, so I hope I am clear with the definition of BCNF. So just write it down. I'm zooming out. Yeah, I hope you guys have written this. So moving further. So the next thing is like we have 3NF, we have 3NF already exists. So why the BCNF is required? So let's see like why BCNF is needed. Okay, so the first point is 3NF removes transitive dependency, but it still allows some anomalies if a non-super key determines another attribute. Okay, so the BCNF eliminates, sorry, eliminate these anomalies anomalies by ensuring only keys can determine other attribute. So now we have understand like why the BCNF is required, because BCNF removes only the transitive dependency but allows some anomaly if non-super key determines another attribute. Okay, so that's why BCNF came in the role. So BCNF eliminates this anomaly by ensuring only key can determine other attributes. Okay, so I hope I am clear. So let's see the characteristic of BCNF. So characteristics characteristics of BCNF. So let's write down. There are four characteristics. The first one is it is stricter than 3NF. It is stricter than 3NF. Second one is remove all redundancy caused by the functional dependency. Remove all redundancy caused by functional dependency. Okay. And the third one is ensure better consistency. And the last one is may require splitting relation into uh, into smaller table to achieve BCNF. Okay, so I hope I am clear. So let's see some advantage and some limitation of BCNF, and after that we will conclude our today's video. So some advantage of BCNF. Advantage of BCNF. So the first advantage is like remove almost all kind of anomalies like update, insert, and delete. Okay. And the second one is provide the highest level of normalization commonly used in commonly used in practice. Okay. And the third one is like ensure that the database design is robust and reliable. So this is all three advantage of using the BCNF. So let's summarize. Like it remove almost all kind of anomaly like update, insert, and delete, and it provide the highest level of normalization commonly used in practice. So the next is ensure the database design in robust and reliable. Okay, so I hope you got some advantage. So let's check out some limitation of BCNF. So limitation of BCNF. So sometimes what happen like decomposition into BCNF can lead to loss of dependency prevention. Okay, so let me write it. Sometimes decomposition into BCNF can lead to loss of dependency preservation. Okay. And the second point, the second limitation of this is it is more relational, means tables might means more joins in query which can reduce performance. Okay, so more relation or tables might mean more joins in queries which can reduce performance. So these are some limitation of the BCNF. So let me zoom out so that you can write the both advantage and limitation of BCNF. So while you are writing, I am summarizing the all part which we have did till now in this video. So BCNF is a stricter version of 3NF as we have seen in the starting, and there is some condition like for every dependency x tend to y comma x must be a super key, means x tends to y comma x, this should be a super key. If you don't have remember what is super key, so already I have explained in the keys video of DBMS, so please go through that one. So the next one we have seen like it remove all anomaly not handled by 3NF. So in the 3NF some anomalies can be there. So in the BCNF it remove all the anomalies, and the next thing we have discussed like it is widely used for clean and consistent database design. So I hope I am clear with this. So let's recap all the normalization what we have did till now. So the in the starting we have did the 1NF, and then we have discussed the 2NF, 3NF and BCNF. So let's check out the some constraint what is there in all. So in the 1NF we have seen like just a minute guys. So in the 1NF we have seen like no multiple values or repeating attribute can be present in the table. It means like it has some atomic value only. Atomic means like non-repeating, same thing is there like, okay. And the two normal form we have seen like no partial dependency on the part of a candidate key. And the third normal form we have seen like there should be no transitive dependency, means non-prime and non-prime attribute. Means A tends to B and B tends to C. This is called like transitive dependency. So there should not be any transitive dependency. And BCNF we have seen like every determinant must be a super key. So I hope you guys are clear with the idea of BCNF. So now the time came for the concluding the normalization and moving further topics in the DBMS. So in the next video we will discuss about the ट्रांजेक्शन मैनेजमेंट. सो तब तक के लिए बाय बाय. आपसे मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में जिसमें हम लोग अब ट्रांजेक्शन करेंगे. तब तक के लिए कीप लर्निंग एंड कीप एक्सप्लोरिंग. And if you guys really find this video is helpful, so please hit the subscribe button and please like our video. So thank you. Bye bye.